We are looking for an egg separator. Yes, that is the goal. Egg separator. And we are going to, what's that? Japan store, right?
Japan Home Center.
Japan Home Center. Yeah, so it's going to be a Japan episode here in the Philippines. Come on, join us. Ito ko punin mo.
Gusto ko nga eh.
Patagod
Hindi ko alam kung tamang tawag ko.
This is an egg beater. This is an egg beater.
Kasi minsan ang daling masira. Nakakailang bili na ako.
Baka disposable talaga.
Huh?
Baka disposable talaga.
Hindi ko alam kung matibay ba. Made in
China.
China! Pero nasa Japan store ako.
Wow, ganda. Parang egg.
Ganda. Repair na siya.
Hello Kitty.
Return. So yan.
Ah, maganda. Saan ito nakalagay? Pero bibili ka na naman.
Not now. Ibang ganda.
Maganda nga, mauubos na pala naman. Food containers nito maganda. May takip. Ayan. Hindi ko matanggal. Ito, sealed yung takip eh.
200.
Ah, okay ka. May plastic seal.
Ito maganda lagay ng cookies niyan.
Bakit ito? Ay, egg rings din to. So bakit may egg rings dito tapos doon meron din?
Silicone yan. Yan ako separate.
Ito steel. Steel egg beater.
Pinakalawang.
Baka coated.
May piso.
Naghiwalay yung binili mo dati.
Ganun. Kaya ayoko na ng ganyan.
Adi wag yan.
Ako tila ng ganun. Sayang nawala ko yung nagsiseparate ng egg at saka.
Hanap tayo.
Uy, spatula. Ang pangit. Luncheon meat.
Nandun, merong lot luncheon meat doon. Kita
Ito
ko.
naman sa... Ha?
May lot luncheon meat doon.
Galing. 200.
Gusto mo bumili? Magic hammer. Glue traps.
Bluetooth. Ang dami.
Ano yan?
Laundry net na.
Laundry net. Laundry net.
Medyo malaki pala yung nabili ko. I need, ang galing oh. Ano ko babasahin? Panlinis ng blinds. Ano ba yung blind? Ayun oh.
Blind
Hindi gagawin mo.
cleaner yun.
Hindi naman ano. Ayun oh.
Stain remover.
Oo. Daw.
Promo pa ba yung steak?
Sabi dati yun.
So, ito mga Sanrio. Ba't wala nakalagay na Sanrio? Ito to. Si Gudetama.
What's this?
Eyewear pen pouch.
Kasi ba ballpen dyan?
Nakalagay pen pouch.
Parang liit eh.
Kuromi socks.
Koron.
Kunin mo na yun, yung pouch.
Kung alam kung magkano.
Okay, so our mission was not a success. We did not find an egg separator, unfortunately. But we did find an egg beater. That's close enough. So thank you for joining our episode. Hope you were entertained. See you again next time. And do watch our shorts. Lots of food there. Bye-bye.
Agentron.